A lot of video games have mini-maps in the corners of your screen so that you can constantly know where you are in the game. If only we had mini-maps like this in real life. Without Google Maps, I mean. And it turns out we do. Scientists discovered that we all have complex maps of our environment built into our brains, thanks to a few special types of neurons. First, we have the place cells. A place cell fires when you're in a specific place in your environment. When you move to another place, a different place cell fires. That might not seem too useful, but collectively, place cells form an entire cognitive map in our brain. Pretty cool, huh? And then we have the grid cells. What's cool about these neurons is that the locations where they fire form a triangular grid. That's why they're called grid cells. So when we're in an environment, place cells fire to indicate our position, while the grid cells form a grid, kind of like latitude and longitude on a map. These two cells work together to create a map of our environment in our brains. Now, head direction cells fire based on the direction you are facing, and border cells fire when you're near the boundaries of your environment, like walls. Now let's talk about navigation. These neurons we just talked about are crucial for positioning and navigation in our daily life. The brain uses two strategies for navigation, one based on your environment, like trees or signs, and the senses, like smell or sight. The second method uses your initial position, the distance you traveled, and the direction you traveled in to calculate following positions. So why does all this matter? Without these special neurons in your brain, you'd be totally unable to remember any places by location alone, nor would you be able to find your way around.
No, I'm gonna go out.
Okay, Mom, don't forget your place cells.